Hello and welcome guys in Cool Coding. Now we have to write our first program. It will give a clear concept about the programs and their implementations. So don't worry if you did not understand. It will be your first program and write the program of Hello World. It is a simple and it will be practical to you. So you will understand very clearly. Let's start. So write program. Here we will use hashtag include stream using namespace standard and main as a function. And now we will write cout and hello world. Now we'll write now we will return the function. So